How to make a tough decision. Let's say you've been following all of my advice and you've been interviewing and you've got a few options on the table of boats that you want to go and work for. So many opportunities coming, you don't know which one to go on. I always tell people when you interview, please ask them if you can sleep on the choice if you aren't sure about it in your heart. You never know, something else could come up the next day, another opportunity. I also think it's smart for your brain to just be able to work on it overnight and for you to take the time to write a pros and a cons list. So write down everything about that position that is good, and on the other side, everything about it that doesn't meet what you want in a program. This is from experience. I used to work on board yachts. I'm a yacht crew agent now, but I also did a lot of time working on board yachts, and my second job ever that I got, I had gone to Fort Lauderdale. I was staying in the crew houses, networking, doing day work, meeting people, interviewing. I got offered a seasonal position on a boat with liveaboard owners. It was private, so there's no charter tips, nothing. The very next day, I got offered a job, a permanent position with great salary, great bonuses, medical, the whole deal. And because I had accepted the job the day before, I did this to myself. I said, sorry, I just told these people yesterday that I would go with them. Honestly, what I should have done is looked out for myself, because in this industry, everyone is looking out for themselves. And I should have said, yes, I will take the job, and called the other people who are only hiring me for a season and said, I'm so sorry, but I got a better offer, because a full-time, long-term position was what I was looking for. So make sure that you're writing down your non-negotiables. Let's say you come up with 5, the itinerary, the salary that you want, if it's private and charter, the crew vibes on board, and maybe that they have a training bonus or something like that, money for training. Say if you get 4 out of those 5 or 3 out of those 5, that's still pretty good. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions and follow for more.